Hello dear students, in this lecture we are going to see Biot-Savart law. This Biot-Savart law gives the relation between magnetic field produced by small element, current element, and the current. Okay, so this is Biot-Savart law. To derive the relation between magnetic field produced by the small current element and current, we can consider a wire, long wire which is carrying a current I, and this current carrying conductor produces magnetic field right around it. So here this current carrying conductor produces magnetic field which is perpendicular to the plane of this wire. Let us assume this current carrying wire is along the plane, then the magnetic field will be perpendicular to the plane. Okay, so on right hand side it is into the plane, magnetic field enters into the plane, and left hand side it leaves. Okay, so on right hand side it is enter, so we can represent with into circle like this. So it represents enters magnetic field into the plane, and from left hand side it leaves, so comes out like this. Okay, enters the plane, magnetic field enters the plane or into the plane, enters into the plane, from here we can write magnetic field leaves the plane. Okay, if you apply right hand thumb rule, okay, so if you hold this current carrying conductor in your right hand such that your thumb is showing the direction of current which is upward, then your direction of curled fingers gives the direction of magnetic field. So here while you are curling fingers, you enter your fingers from right hand side and you leave, means your fingers will come out from left hand side. Okay, so from this we can observe that the magnetic field into the plane on the right hand side, and left hand side these magnetic field lines leave, so that they are concentric circles. These magnetic field lines are concentric circle. Okay, now I want to calculate the magnetic field at a point from a small element. Let us consider this is our small element, let us take dl, this is dl, and it is a vector, it gives the direction like this. Okay, this is, and carrying current I, this is a carrying current I. Now I want to find out here the magnetic field at point P, which is at a distance r from this element, and which is making an angle theta. This distance you can take r. Here theta is angle between this distance and element, angle theta. Okay, theta is angle between r and dl. Okay, right. Now to calculate the magnetic field, small magnetic field, why? Because we are calculating magnetic field due to this small element, current element dl. Okay, then we will integrate afterwards. So first we will find out the small magnetic field due to dl. Okay, the small magnetic field dB produced by the small current element is directly proportional to current. It is directly proportional to current proportional to I, and directly proportional to length of the wire. This is according to Biot-Savart law. Okay, dl, here length of the wire dl, we have considered small element, that is dl. So in directly proportional to dl, and directly proportional to sine of angle between r and dl, directly proportional to sine of angle between r and dl. Okay, means directly proportional to sine theta and inversely proportional to square of the distance, that is inversely proportional to r square. Okay, now if you write in one step all these, dB is directly proportional to I dl sine theta by r square. Now if you remove this proportional, we have to keep one constant, that is mu naught by 4 pi. Mu naught by 4 pi I dl sine theta by r square. This is the magnitude of magnetic field, magnitude. Okay, so magnitude of magnetic field due to small element. Okay, here I naught mu naught by 4 pi, mu naught is permeability, here mu naught is permeability of free space, okay, so its value is 4 pi, its value is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7 Tesla ampere per meter. Okay, right. Now in vector form, dB bar is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I into dl bar cross r bar by r cube. So here this theta is the angle between r and dl, right? The distance of the point from the length dl. So the angle between these two. So here I will multiply and divide with r, this equation, main equation, so that dl r sin theta by r cube. So dl r sin theta, that can be written as dl bar cross r bar. A bar cross b bar is equal to ab sin theta. Here dl bar cross r bar is equal to dl r sin theta. Okay, so we can write like this equation, which is vector form. Now by integrating this equation, dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi ideal cross r bar by r cube, we will get the magnetic field due to entire length of the wire or length of the conductor. Okay, so this is magnetic field due to small current element according to Biot-Savart law.